G'day, I'm Boomer, and today I'm down here at Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and I'm going to run through a few different barbecue cooks using my rubs. First up, we've got the beef shin. We're going to be using my grazed and blazed. Firstly, we're going to remove a little bit of the silver skin, apply the oil to it so the rub's got more surface to adhere to. That's going to create a way better bark and a lot better eating quality. And there you have it, my take on Leroy and Lewis's Barbecado beef shin style.